Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how can you create a is equal to v minus u by t physics calculator using Python. I use the Python programming online compiler to build this program. So guys, don't waste time, go to this computer screen and let's build the project. So let's get started. So guys, first I open the programming online compiler to Python online compiler. First remove the all existing code. So firstly set the input variable. So v is equal to int because the input type is int. Input enter the value of v. After that set u is equal to int input enter the value of u. Sorry, this will be a small text. Set the value of t is equal to int input enter the value of t. Down set x is equal to v minus u and set a is equal to x slash t and set the value of a. So our coding part is completed, guys. I am going to run my program. So you can see that in the terminal, there see that enter the value of v. So set the value of v 9. So there is an error. The value of 9 and the value of p 6 and the value of p 2. Not is 1. You can see that our program is confirmedly correctly working. So by this way you can create your a equal to v minus u by t physical science calculator using Python. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. So for today's video, bye guys.